So friends, how you all doing? I want to share something with you today. So I can tell you that I've been working on Google search for quite some time now. I'm going to give you a review of my channel and many of the videos on it are already ranked on Google search. Let me tell you, if you're getting views from Google search, the earnings are much higher compared to regular YouTube views. Just like YouTube search has high RPM, Google search also brings high RPM, which means better earnings. At the end, I'll explain how you can get views from Google search too. I'll tell you that in the last part of the video. But first, let me show you how many of my videos are ranked on Google search and to what extent. So here's my first video. If I look at the analytics, 75% of the views are external, only 13% from browse features, 6% from suggested videos, and the rest are from other YouTube features. So 75% of the traffic is external, and out of that 98% is from Google search. The rest are from things like Google Go, YouTube, etc. This video received 13 million impressions and got around 632,000 views. The watch time is listed below. Now let me show you the second video. In this one, 90% of the views are external, with 5% from browse features and 2% from suggested videos. From external sites and apps, 98% of the traffic came from Google search, meaning the majority of the views were from there. There are more videos, but in this video, I'll show you 5 to 6 videos that got good views from Google search. If we look here, this video received 592,000 impressions and got 46,000 views with the watch time listed below. Now coming to the third video, this one got 96% of its views from external sources and only 1% from browse. As you may know, most people get views mainly from browse, but that's not a good long-term strategy. You should build your channel in a way that it gets evergreen long-term views from both Google and YouTube search. This way your videos continue to get views over time and don't die out. This is my faceless channel that I'm running. You can see here that 96% of the views are external, and out of those, 97% are from Google search. The rest came from WhatsApp, Google Go, and others. This video had 160,000 impressions and got 7,000 views with the watch time shown below. Next, let's look at another video. This one received 82% external traffic and 96% of that came from Google search. The rest is minimal. You can see the stats: 107,000 impressions and around 7,000 views with the watch time listed below. Now coming to the next video, it had only 24% external traffic, with most of the views coming from suggested videos. Still, out of the external views, 93% came from Google search. So the external percentage is lower than others, but still significant. Let's talk about another video. This one had 85% external traffic, 4% from browse, and very little from other sources. This video also ranked on Google, and 97% of the external views were from Google search. You can see the impressions here, 147,000 with 7,000 views. And so far I've shown you videos with fewer views. Now I'll show you the ones with higher view counts.
Let's move to the next video. This one got 52% external views and 97% of those views came from Google search. If we look at the impressions, it got 45,000 views and the total impressions are shown here. You can also see the watch time. Next up is another video. This one had 86% external views and 98.5% of those came from Google search. You can check the impressions and views. 12,000, along with the watch time listed. Now on to the next video. It received 95% of its views from external sources. And if we look at the data, 98% of those views are from Google search. You can see the impressions, 370,000, and the views are 26,000. Let me clarify. These aren't the total views. I've also received views from YouTube directly. If we scroll up, you can see that I've received 892,000 views from YouTube itself, separate from the Google search traffic. The impressions here are from both YouTube and Google search, and the watch time is calculated accordingly. So you can check exactly how we receive those views from Google. Now, let's talk about how you can rank your own videos on Google search. First, I'll show you how it works. If I go to Google and search for Google Ads, Google AdWords, you won't find a better tool than this for figuring out how to rank your videos on Google Search. This tool will help you find good keywords and teach you how to rank your YouTube videos on Google. So you can see here, you'll need to ignore this part and hide it. Now go to Tools, and under Planning, you'll find Keyword Planner. Click on Discover New Keywords. Before you begin, make sure to change your location. You'll want to set it to United States since that's where you're targeting views from. You can also include other countries like Australia. I've selected 2 countries here. Now simply save your settings. After that, enter a keyword related to your video niche. For example, if I search for shoes and click on Get Results, it will show me related keywords. You'll see various types of shoes here, but also take note of the competition level. In many cases, the competition is high, but we're aiming for low competition keywords. To filter results properly, click on the Filters section, select Google and Search Partners, and set the time frame to last month instead of 1 year. This will give you better and more recent results. Now, if I scroll down, I can see things like Jordan Nike shoes and other keywords you can use in your video descriptions. These keywords should be naturally merged into your video descriptions so they make sense in context. As you scroll, you'll see which ones are high, medium, or low. Try to mix them. Use both high and low competition keywords. There are many ranking opportunities in the shoes niche. You'll notice some keywords are marked as medium, like Puma and others. These are easier to rank for compared to high competition keywords.
For example, you may find a keyword with low competition, but still getting a high number of monthly searches, sometimes between 100K to 1 million searches per month. These are the golden keywords you want to add to your description. So, once you've found these low competition and relevant keywords, add them to your YouTube video descriptions in a natural way. This will help your videos start ranking on Google Search. This was a short video. If you liked it, make sure to like it and subscribe to the channel. You can definitely grow by applying these strategies.